we need to first of all draw tree diagram. And for us to draw tree diagram, we have first of all to investigate the number of experiments that we have to solve this problem. These are some of other videos that you can find in this channel. Kindly find time to watch them and don't forget to share to the relevant audience. For now, sit, relax, and enjoy probability. To solve this probability problem, we need to first of all draw tree diagram. And for us to draw tree diagram, we have first of all to investigate the number of experiments that we have to solve this problem. The first experiment is to select a box, whether it is A or it is B. The next step is to pick the first ball. That one gives us the second experiment, and the other experiment is picking or choosing the second ball. So let's start. For the first experiment is that of choosing a box. So experiment 1, we are choosing box, whether it is A or B. So total possibility are 2, and choosing A is half. Don't forget that probability of any event is calculated by dividing the favorable event that favors A, which is 1, and the total event, there are 2 boxes. So that is why we have half. The second experiment is now picking a first ball. So if we randomly choose box A, we can get either green or brown ball. In case we choose box B, we can also get green or brown ball. So that one gives us the second experiment. That is first ball. Suppose we choose box A, and we are told that in box A, we have 9 green balls and 7 brown balls. Total possibility is 9 plus 7, that is 16, and in favor of green balls is 9. So if we pick brown, then we have 7 over total possibility. If we chose A and got a green ball, G for green, then in favor of green we have 9 balls out of 16. Nice. Suppose we chose box B, and we are told in box B we have 5 green balls and 11 brown balls. Then what happens? We have total possibility of 5 plus 11, that is 16. In favor of brown ball, then we have 11 over 16. In favor of green balls, we have 5 over 16. So we are done with the first experiment and the second experiment. So the third experiment is to pick the second ball, because we are supposed to pick 2 balls. So if we chose box A and pick brown ball, does it mean we cannot pick brown ball again, or does it mean we cannot pick green ball in the second picking? If we picked green ball, does it mean the second ball cannot be green. It does not mean that it cannot be brown. We are looking at chances of event happening. If we chose box B and picked brown ball as our first ball, doesn't mean that the second ball we cannot pick brown again, or we cannot pick green ball. Same case applies to brown ball, box B, and picking green ball as the first ball. Doesn't mean we cannot pick green again, or we cannot pick brown ball. So this one gives us the event of experiment 3 for the second ball. So we have brown and green. So if we picked brown ball in the first experiment without replacing, that means in the box the total number of balls that were 16 have reduced to 15. Suppose we picked brown, that means we no longer have 7 brown balls but 6 out of 15. If we picked brown as the first ball, doesn't mean we cannot pick green as the second ball. So because we picked brown, brown has less again by 1. So green balls were not touched, so they remain as 9 over 15 because 1 ball was removed. Same case, now we can proceed like that without any doubt. So green, brown, green, brown, green, brown, green. So picked green, they were 9, now they are 8 over 15. Green and green again, we have 8 over 15. For the second box, the box B, we have 5 green balls and 11 brown balls. So if we picked brown ball in the first picking, then the 11 brown balls are no longer 11 and the total possibility is no longer 16. So we shall have brown balls reduced by 1, that is 10 over 15. And these ones were not touched, so they remain as 5 over 15. Same case here, we have green ball picked. That means green balls have reduced from 5 to 4 out of 15. Again, green ball has reduced 4 over 15. Having done that, we can now try to get more elaborate information from our tree. So if we follow our tree, we have box A, then brown ball, box A, brown ball, green ball, box A, green, brown, box A, green, green, box B, brown ball, box B, brown ball, green ball, box B, green, brown ball, box B, green, green ball. Now with these possible outcomes, we can check our question. Part A. Find the probability that the 2 balls are of different in color. So we have brown and brown, so the 2 balls are same color. Brown and green, different color, so we pick that. Green, brown, different color, green, green, same color, brown, brown, same color, brown, green, different color, green, brown, different color. So we have green, green, same color. So we are interested with different color and we know the probability. So the probability is different color we shall have half times 7/16 times 9/15. We add half times 9/16 times 8/15 plus this other possibility, half for the box times 11/16 times 5/15 plus half times 5/15/16, I beg your pardon, times 4/15. Along the branches of the tree, we are going to multiply this event because they are independent. They are independent events. So on this other side, we are going to add because they are exclusive, they are mutually exclusive event. So we have either this happening or this happening or this happening or that happening. The whole law of probability. And along the branch is the AND law of probability. Box A and brown and brown. So that is why we are multiplying. From B, let's look at B so that before we simplify everything. From B, we are talking about same color. So we are going to have box A, brown, brown, same color. We have brown, brown, same color. We have green, green, same color. So for this case, we shall have half for box A times 7/16 times 6/15, or we have this other one, the blue, half from box B times 11/16 times 10/15, or this other one, same color, from box B times 5/16 times 4/15. Let's look at C. In a way that the second ball is green, so the second ball, this is the first ball, don't forget that, and this is the second ball. So in a way that the second ball is green, so we are going to consider this. We consider this because the second, we are interested with the second ball being green. We have that and this. So we have how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have half times 7/16 times 9/15 plus half times 9/16 times 8/15, 8/15. Then plus this other one, half times 11/16 times 5/15 plus this, the last one, half times 5/16 times 4/15. So when you simplify this, what do you get? When you simplify this, what do you get? When you simplify this and then you sum together. So what is the answer? When you do the same to this, what is the answer? When you do the same to this, what is the answer?